Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your, what is it, it's a secret, or what is it, flipnote, stupid. My bad, this thing, this for example, it's kind of weird, so, let me try a new one. I'm gonna say it. Twilight, get my robe. 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 So now, what is it? You have that. Oops, sorry. Exit. I don't know the DSI sound. Then that's another DSI sound. Go to Flipnote Studio. Try to remember this name. Who cares, dum dum? Create Flipnote. And what is it? Advanced tools, so you can have advanced tools on too. So look at this. Hold on L. Pick the music one. So like for example, Twilight, get my robe. Twilight, get Twilight. Twilight, get my rope. Twilight, get my. Twilight, get my. Oh, I know. Twilight, get my. Twilight, get my rope. Yeah, I think it's for sound number 1. So you can use it for later. Yeah. So then there's a lot of stuff. So for that, so to get these, I was wondering how to get these. Go to Advanced Tools, go to Settings for this, and then what is it? Put on Advanced Tools. There you go. So see you. Bye.